Hello my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. In today's video I will be sharing my top detox water recipes. These detox waters really target the belly fat and lower belly fat, so I definitely recommend trying some of these out. I recently did a whole video on smoothies for weight loss. If you want to check out that video, I'll have it linked down below, but I thought I would do one on detox water. These are really great drinks to add within your healthy lifestyle, so I hope you guys like it. If you want more videos around targeting the belly fat and how to lose belly fat, thumbs up and I will definitely do so. I have a whole fitness playlist, so I'll link that down below for you guys. My random question today is going to be, what is your favorite fruit? Let me know in the comments down below. Mine definitely is watermelon, mangoes, and cherries. Those are definitely my favorite fruits. Also, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. It would mean the world to me. It's just at NicolettaXLYT. But that being said, let's jump into the detox waters. There are so many benefits to detox water. One of the main benefits being that it helps to flush away impurities, toxins in your body, and also helps to break down harmful fats. These are my 3 go-to detox water recipes, and you can enjoy these throughout the day, before every meal, or even right in the morning. Detox water number 1 is extremely great for burning fat, and to begin, all you are going to need is 12 ounces of water, as you can see. Then you are just going to throw in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I am just using the brand Bragg's for my apple cider vinegar. I'll link it in the description box for you. And then I followed it up with 1 tablespoon of natural lemon juice. And to finish it off, I just use a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, but you can honestly just use a pinch of cinnamon. You don't even need to put this much. And you need to make sure that you blend up these ingredients all together. I'm just using my portable blender. It is super affordable and it has been so useful, so I definitely recommend checking this out. I'll have the link down below if you guys are curious, but this has just come in such handy and is amazing. I'm obsessed with it, not gonna lie. And once you are done blending it completely up, of course, you're just going to pour the mixture into your little cup. And then all I did is I sliced up some apples and threw it into the mixture. So now I'm going to kind of explain why this drink is super amazing. To start off, apple cider vinegar has so many benefits, but it is said to help speed up your metabolism and help lose weight. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can increase feelings of fullness and help people eat fewer calories, which leads to weight loss. The lemon juice contains pectin, which is a soluble fiber that has been shown to help with weight loss. The lemon juice also helps to get rid of toxins in your body and cause you to keep weight on, and lemon is full of vitamin C. Cinnamon is what is going to help boost your metabolism, regulate blood sugar, and stop food cravings. Cinnamon imitates the activity of insulin and increases the metabolism of glucose. So since high blood sugar levels can lead to increased storage of fat by the body, it helps to prevent this and helps you lose weight. And to finish off, apples are extremely great because they are a great source of fiber and help you feel full longer. Moving on to recipe number 2, to begin, you are going to need a lemon. And all you are going to do is just cut the lemon right down the middle into 2 halves, and you are only going to use 1/2 of the lemon. Once you have your half of the lemon, just take your glass of water, either between 8 ounces or 12 ounces of water, and just squeeze the lemon wedge into the water. Once you are done doing that, the second ingredient is berries. So I just use blackberries and blueberries. You can either use fresh or you can use frozen berries, and I put about 1 cup of them into my water. For all the recipes, you can let the ingredients soak in for up to 12 hours or even let it soak in overnight and enjoy it the next day. So now I'm going to explain the benefits of this detox water. Of course, lemon is what's going to play a key component because lemon is extremely great for helping to clean your system out, but the berries also play a key role in this detox water. It fills the body with nourishing antioxidants, and the vitamins also help to boost energy levels for burning fat on the go. Now moving on to detox water recipe number 3, and all you're going to need for this one is cucumbers and tangerines. So I just sliced up my cucumbers into little pieces, and then of course I just took my tangerine, peeled it, and then sliced it up. And this is going to be the base for the detox water. Now you're just going to take your water after you're done, and all I did is I took, once again, 8 to 12 ounces of water, and I threw both in the cucumbers and the tangerines into the water. The reason why this is extremely great is because the cucumbers is what's going to help fill you up. It's also a natural diuretic, and it's great for belly fat, while the tangerines increase your sensitivity sensitivity to insulin and help to stabilize your blood sugar. I love all these recipes. Let me know which one was your favorite and if you would like me to maybe do a second part on other detox waters, because there's so many that you can do, of course. I hope you guys try them out. Don't forget to check out my smoothie video as well. If you want to know great weight loss smoothie recipes, I definitely recommend checking that one as well. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up once again if you did want a video around belly fat and how to lose belly fat. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you're part of this fam jam, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And if you head to my channel, click the bell so that the little dings are on. That will make sure that you do not miss an upload from me. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!